It is like driving back in time. It is so cool. This is the town where like Billy the Kid hung out, did his thing, where he escaped from jail. I'm on my way to a campground because I was just in Roswell, New Mexico, and I wanted to camp out close to where the UFO crash site was, and I had no idea I was going to drive through this little gem. It is so nuts. There's like, the buildings are, oh my gosh, it's so cool. Like ruined buildings and like little wood huts that are like clearly still around from the olden days. It's like going back to the Wild West. Wow, so cool. I don't know if I'm at the campground or something, but there's a bunch of cattle all in the road and stuff. There was a sign that said private property, but all the apps say that this is the direction of the campground, so I'm just gonna be careful and see if I can find somewhere to park for tonight. This is Lincoln. I think this is an old cattle run. But this town is like totally a blast from the past. So cool. So I'm here in Lincoln, New Mexico, where Billy the Kid broke out of the courthouse, and I just learned that yesterday was the 140th anniversary of that event happening, and I'm here for it. How cool! The only thing that sucks is that because of COVID restrictions, they weren't able to really celebrate it, and everything was closed. I'm headed out to the Bisti Badlands. I just came from over there. Right at the other end of the horizon, there's a town, and this is what I'm driving into. This is crazy. There's like nothing here. They talk about wilderness. Like, yeah, this is so cool. Not gonna lie, these are pretty neat looking rocks, but kind of underwhelming. There's like a couple of rocks with like cool swirls on them, but I don't know, the pictures just make them look so much bigger, you know? If you are new to my channel, I would really love it if you subscribe and then hit the little bell notification so that you can stay up to date on when I post videos. And yeah, and I hope if there's anything that you guys want to see, that you leave a message in the comments and let me know like what it is that you want to see, what questions you have, anything I can share, experiences that help you make Vanlife is for you, or if you